How to change Discord password if you forgot it. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say I go to Discord right now. What I want to do is go over to my settings, then go to my account, scroll down, and I'm going to see change password. But you're going to need your current password if you want to change your password and make a new one. Obviously, that's not ideal if you don't remember it. So what you want to go ahead and do is cancel that, scroll down, and then go all the way to log out. It's going to say you should want to log out, press that right there. And then what I want to go ahead and do is press forgot your password right here. And once you type in your email, then press forgot your password. And it's going to say we've sent instructions to that email. Please check your inbox and spam folder. Then what you just want to go ahead and do is go over to your emails. And now once you go to your emails, it's going to look something like this. It's going to say your Discord password can be reset by clicking the button below. If you did not request one, please ignore this email. Then just press reset password. And then once you go ahead and click on it, like so, you're going to be able to, make any new password you want. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.